Hey guys, this is Angga from Indonesia and welcome back to my video about Frame.js tutorial. Well, in this video, I'm gonna to show you about stats. Stats or statement. Maybe you are developer or you are the backend developer, then you might know about the statement if and else if. But in the framework, it's different. It's like the even but inside of the stats. So when the mouse scroll over, when the mouse click, when the mouse touch, when the mouse tap, and it's so many events inside of the stats. Cool. Well, let's get started. I have one screen here, then I want to change this name to the stats. Okay, and I have the illustration text, and I have this and this. Maybe I don't need this because I only have one screen, and I want to move here. Okay, cool. So we go to the icon and click the target, create target, and I will give the name is a earth icon. Okay, and then we're going to the code section, and then we have the stats here, so we click stats, earth icon. But before I make the stats, I want to explain to you we have two ways to make the stats. So I'm gonna to show you about the first one. Okay, so we can go to the stats and earth icon, and you will get the dialog section like here, this automatically. So you don't need to write a code, you just need to use this graphic user interface, and the graphic user interface will generate your codes. Alright, I want to make the stats A. Stats A is like about, I want to make it bigger. No, maybe, okay, it's enough. And I will give the shadow. Oh no, it's bad. Okay, in the stats A, I want to make this only bigger. So we have the stats, it's called A. You can also edit this name because it's variable. It doesn't matter about the A, B, C, D, or you can get, maybe I will give the name stats is a 1, or you can get the name, this is stats for the bigger, because when I make the event, the stats will run with the bigger. Okay, so we enter and delete like this. After that, I'm going to make the events. Okay, so we go to event, earth icon, and when I click this earth icon, it's going to the earth icon dot animate bigger. Okay, and when I click here, it's bigger. Cool, it's called the stats. So I'm going to show you another stats. Maybe go to stats again, earth icon, and then after that the rotation, maybe, oh no, we're going to edit the position, maybe to like this, and this is for the like this. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna to edit these stats, maybe move on. Yeah, it's like you broken heart and then you need to move on. Okay, and I want to make another event. So event, and when I mouse over, we need to move on. Animate move on. Okay, and when I click it's bigger like this. Cool, right? So it's called stats. Now I'm going to show you about another ways that simple for the stats. We delete all of them. Okay, we're going to create another stats just like this, and we have the parameter or the list item. So I want to make the first stats is a 1, and in the 1 maybe we have the scale to like this, and the rotation maybe like this, and then we have another stats, it's 2, and the stats 2 maybe we can change the position, the X maybe, and the Y is okay. So we have 2 stats, so we just need to create the event here. Just click the event, and when I drag, maybe when I tap and I want to go in the art icon, animate to, okay. So when I tap, it's going to move. It's easy to make the stats. Really, I love these stats. When mouse out, I want to make this art icon to 1. So when I tap here and I like this, because the mouse is out like this. Okay, we try again. I tap here and I mouse out and click. Choo! Very cool. It's got the statsman. Okay. Well, I hope you can understand about this tutorial because it's really simple but it's really awesome. Well, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Angga. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you.